found a laundromat in Lakeview, Oregon. It's, Dave always does a little recon before we take our stuff in there. I'm not sure if it's promising or not. The reviews for this laundromat online are bad. Like, somebody did a load of laundry and there were no working dryers. That's one of the reviews. Oh, he's given the maybe not face. It's the only place in town, and there's nowhere else on our way. No?
I wouldn't put anything I own in any of those machines. That is the nastiest, filthiest thing I've ever seen. I don't even know how any machines work. Some of them don't have doors on them. There's just trash all over the floor. The floor is muddy.
Gross. Okay.
It
looks bad. Okay, I went in and I took some pictures for y'all.
Did you?
To enjoy. Oh yeah, I took pictures. That is the sketchiest laundromat I've ever been in. I was like hurriedly taking photos so I could rush out. So.
Are they just leaving it open in case someone will stick some money in there? Because there's no one in there.
Every coin thing is broken out of the machine.
I saw the coin.
Yeah, the change maker thing.
It was just flashing out of service.
Yeah. Oh, it's the filthiest, nastiest thing I've ever seen. We're gonna hunt up a different laundromat somewhere along the way. Good morning. We are waking up in Central Oregon. We got 32 degrees happening right now. Burr. It's not a winter wonderland though. We don't have snow. We just pulled over. We're in between Lapine and Bend, and there's National Forest roads. So we just went down one of those, not very far actually. Whoop. And we went further down there, but didn't find a good spot. So we just came kind of back to the front and just found a little pull out and spent the night. It's really quiet, nice. We are heading up to Vancouver, Washington to go hang out with our boys. So we're hoping to be up there in the next day or so. But today we're trying to find a spot that's got
dump our tanks.
We want to dump our tanks and fill our water and stuff before we go to the city. And there's not really a good resource for that by our son's place. So we'll just be street side boondocking there. Anyway, so that's what we're doing today. Meeting up with a girlfriend for coffee this morning as we pass through Bend. And yeah, just kind of having a chill day, which is pretty much every day of ours, if I'm being honest.
It's 32 degrees.
It's 32 degrees. I know. Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. All right, down the road we go. So we've been in the Portland, Vancouver area between both our boys' places, and it just dumped rain the entire time.
It was awesome. Like 5 days of 45 degrees and just rain. Yeah. Rain. And they work. So...
Yeah, so we weren't with them. Like, we were just kind of in the camper, urban camping on the street.
It's fun to sit in a camper for hours and hours and hours.
But we went to the Vancouver Mall because our youngest lives near there, and we walked inside, like around and around and around.
RV hack.
We weren't the only ones doing that either, by the way.
Yeah, we see the same people walk. It's a huge 2-story mall. It's just walking, and we just get lots of miles in. And
But see what we have today? Sunshine. So today we had to get out of the city to go dump tanks and fill water and all that. We are at Shampooey State Park. Is that how you say that? And there's a historic town of Butteville, about 2.5 mile walk from here. But we're just gonna drive on over there.
We have to switch campsites anyway. So
Yeah.
I ran to it yesterday, and it's we've been here before a year or two ago.
Yeah.
And it's
Just
kind of a real historic area right on the Willamette River, and it was like a main shipping area in the 1800s for that Portland area.
Yeah.
And there's something about Butteville that when we were here the one other time, it's famous for homemade ice cream. It's a cafe type place, but the one time we were here was the day they were closed.
Yeah.
Well, they're not closed today.
And the sun is shining. We have to celebrate.
So we're gonna go get some ice cream.
And maybe a sandwich. You want to split a sandwich and ice cream? They have some good looking sandwiches.
They do. Oh, this girl, she just woke up.
She always just woke up.
Yeah. She didn't mind the rain too much.
She didn't, because
except potty time.
Oh yeah.
She makes quick work of the potty though.
She does. Yeah. So let's head down and get some ice cream here in a bit.
Okay. Take a nap.
We're gonna go back to camp and get our new site for the day. But yes, if you're in this area, what kind of area is it? Butteville, I guess, Oregon.
Well, it's an old steamboat town from the 1800s. These rivers in Oregon, this is how they shipped goods before there was freeways and railroads. And
yeah.
These towns kind of boomed, and then when the railroads and the highways came along, then they turned into ice cream shops.
This is southwest of Portland. Man, this video is a roller coaster because we start out at the laundromat.
The worst place and the best place in Oregon.
It's an up and down video.
Yeah. Stay away from one and definitely come to the other.
Yeah. All right. We'll just see you down the road. Carry on.
Carry on. Thanks for watching.
And a very special thank you to our patrons for supporting our channel. Join us over on Patreon for extra videos and more content. Check out our website or Amazon for our pistol book. Carry on.
Carry on.